Hello friends, today we're talking about giving an insulin injection to your dog with diabetes. Now again, before you would try anything you see here, please talk to your vet. I'm not a vet, I'm just giving you information on our personal experience. Insulin can be dangerous if you don't use it correctly, but if you understand how to use it, you can help your dog live a very long and happy life. So, let's get into it right here. This is Sassy. She's a 12-year-old Yorkie. She has diabetes and she's been getting insulin injections for quite some time now. And I'm going to show you a demonstration of how we do it. So we've got her on a comfortable blanket. As you'll see, she has very little, problem with it. We use 70/30 insulin. I've got another video about that. This is the syringes that we use. We get these from Walmart. They're 31 gauge. She's a very small dog, so that's an appropriate size for her. Now I realize we're going to spin the insulin a little bit because we want to make sure that it gets a proper consistency and that it's not, been sitting in the fridge for an extended period of time, so it's not cold. Cold insulin can hurt. I realize the video is kind of blurry and you may not be able to see exactly how much we're giving, but that's okay because that's not the point. Your dog is going to take an individualized dose, so Sassy probably takes a much smaller dose than a larger dog would. So, based on the fact that we checked her blood sugars, we know that this time she needs approximately 2 units of insulin. And so it's the night time, so we alternate from daytime on the left side to nighttime on the right side. So right at night. We get a little fold of skin, and then we simply make a little pocket, and we put the insulin in that particular section right there. We inject, hold it for a moment, let the insulin go in, and don't rub it in. I just did that just to pet her a little bit, but I want to encourage her. She did a job well done. So Sassy does very well. She's still with us and is very happy and healthy. The point of this video is to let you know that you can do it too. If you want to talk more, you can email me. But again, talk to your vet before you try this. But you can give insulin safely if you understand what you're doing. Thank you and God bless you.